Welcome to the District Department of Transportation Work Management System, Cityworks. This Click and Learn tutorial explains how to search for service requests by Cityworks problem code. Problem codes are assigned to each division within the agency based upon the scope of work for which that division is responsible. To begin, please log in to Cityworks using your username and password. On the Cityworks main toolbar, go to the Service Requests tab, select the arrow for the drop-down menu, and select Search. We will begin to set up our search criterion. First, we're going to identify the problem type. We're going to go to Cityworks, select the problem type, identify the problem type for this particular search, and we're going to return to the General tab. The Initiated By field is the date that the service request was initiated or made for the agency. Service requests are usually initiated through 311, although they may be initiated via C-Click-Fix, the DDOT Customer Service Call Center, or directly through an agency division. We're going to include a date range for our search. Select the date range box. For this search, we're going to use the calendar option. Select, click on the calendar, and you can either select by clicking on the date, or you may type in your date range. Select Apply. Now we'd like to know the status of the service request alley repair for this search. For this search, we're going to select all open service requests. Open service requests are those service requests that have been initiated, however, have not yet been assigned to a technician. Pending service requests are those service requests that have been dispatched to a technician, however, are still pending submission of some type of report to determine how the service request will be resolved. Next, we're going to identify the visible fields that we would like to see in our search query. Remember, to select multiple fields, you're going to want to select your control function. We're going to select problem code, date initiated, submit to, which is the division to which this service request has been submitted in the agency. Who is this dispatched to? The address of the problem, the ward, the date this service request was dispatched to the technician, if any, the current status, as well as comments. For this search, we're looking for alley repairs that were initiated from January 1, 2014 to January 17, 2014, and that are currently open or pending. Now we're going to select Search. The number of open and pending service requests is indicated in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. You can scroll across to view comments, you can sort by selecting on the column header, so you'll know how many service requests you have in each ward. You can sort by date initiated, by status. There are other sort functions. However, please look for future Click and Learns for additional information. If you would like to view your service request, you can select View All, which will pull up all the service requests and allow you to view them page by page. You can select one service request and select the open selected records for editing or viewing. Or you can just click on the service request twice and the service request will be open for editing or viewing, address, XY, coordinates, caller information, comments, etc. Once you have finished viewing your service request, you can return to the main search screen by utilizing your browser's back button or by going to the Service Request tab, selecting the drop-down menu option, and selecting Search. You can now begin another Cityworks service request search. This concludes the Click and Learn for how to search for service requests by Cityworks service request problem type. For additional Cityworks Click and Learn tutorials, please visit SharePoint, d.sites.com, Cityworks. Thank you.